Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll compare MetaTrader 5 and TradingView to help you decide which one is better for your trading needs. Let's break it down. MetaTrader 5, MT5, is a powerful platform designed for placing trades directly with brokers. It supports expert advisor automation and offers access to a wide range of markets, including Forex, stocks, and more. It's ideal for active traders who want both execution and automation in a single platform. TradingView, on the other hand, is best known for its advanced charting tools, vibrant social trading community, and hundreds of built-in indicators. It's browser-based, fast, and perfect for technical analysis. However, to place trades directly, you'll need to connect it to a supported broker. So if you're looking for deep charting features and social interaction, TradingView is a great choice. But if you need seamless trade execution with full broker integration, MT5 is the better option. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.